Okay. This is the ghost chili. I'm going to eat it, and I'm terrified. Oh, that spice starts quick.
Is it hot?
Yeah. It's pretty hot. I have seeds stuck in my mouth. Oh, man.
Is it very hot, Dad?
Oh, Simon, that is hot. Oh.
So, is it the hottest thing you've ever tasted?
Oh, yeah. Yep. I don't need to take a nap. Oh, man. I feel like I'm really tingly.
That good, huh?
Oh, man.
Owie.
Owie, yep. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's not open. So that's pretty hot. Do you want one?
No.
Franco's a liar. Peanut butter doesn't do crap. He started the dishwasher.
Can you stop the dishwasher? You can. Simon, don't start the dishwasher. It's not ready yet.
Oh boy.
It's very hot, huh?
I think the worst of it's over. But it's still pretty bad.
All right.
Oh man.